I'm so bored. I don't know why. But I'm so bored. But hell, I'm like, whoop-a-doo. What am I fucking gonna do, motherfuckers? Hell, I ran out of fucking ideas. You know what? You know what? So fucking bored. And yeah, so bored. I ran out of videos, ideas. Fucking bullshit. So yeah, who I fucking care? Who I fucking care about this shit? Who I fucking care? Who I fucking care about this shit? I don't fucking care. I have your ideas. My ideas. No, no. No, it's my fucking coat. It's my fucking coat. So fucking more around video ideas. So anyways, good luck everyone. Be safe out there. Around video ideas. So yeah, my mission, my news, I believe. So who I care? Maybe gonna do the mission. So I don't know. Fuck, I don't know newest animation. So oh fuck, I don't know around video ideas. So yeah, good everyone. Be careful out there. Be safe. There are also new drawings, but and so yeah. Be careful, people. Be careful. Be careful, people. Be careful. Very careful. We wish for people. Don't worry. Don't worry. It's not gonna work. Don't worry. It's no freaking. No what? Fuck this shit. Fuck this shit. I'm out. What the fuck's going on my fucking life?